Okay? To be awarded by our event organizer, Sir Noel Flores. Okay, to receive a sash.
Of course, ang pensyonado, palakpakan po natin si Joel Cruz.
To receive a sash, a cash prize, and a trophy. Okay, our second runner-up. Our second runner-up is candidate number 8. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Okay. Now,
Okay, I love you! Buhay o kayo! Sa lahat po ng mga runner-up and sa minor award, congratulations. This time, dako tayo sa ating first runner-up.
runner-up is to be awarded by the very generous Madame Celine. Madame Celine.
Wala na daw po.
Okay. Okay. Our first runner-up is to be awarded by, of course,
Ay, David, si Jun Laksa.
okay, the representative of Miss Madame Celine, Mr. Jun Laksa. First runner-up. And of course, okay, and to be supported by our Madam of I Love You Cafe Restaurant, Miss Madam Giovanni, please. Award our first runner-up.
And before that, everyone, palakpakan naman po natin doon, the CEO, of course. And Madam Sir John Mina, thank you so much. Supportan po natin ang I Love You. Hello. Ang ganda rin ako. Kamukha ako siya nung 14 ako. Nakado lang ako, napalis lang ako. Mahal na mahal kita, madam.
Okay.
Okay. Decide.
Our first runner-up.
Our first runner-up direct is target number
7!
Okay. Now we are down to our grand winner. The winner, the first winner from our Metro House.
But before that, I love you. Maraming salamat po. Of course, palakpakan po
I'm
natin
looking
the
for Mr.
owner.
John Minas. Mr. John Minas. I'm calling Mr. John Minas, the owner
Thank you
of
so
I Love
much.
You Cafe
Asan
Restaurant.
po si Mr. John Mina?
John Minas, please. Mr. John Minas, is he still here?
Ayos ka ba?
Mr. John Minas, of course, the very generous, the owner of I Love You Cafe Restaurant, the lahat ng LGBT event, si Mr. John Minas. Post ko yan. And also, may we call on, of course, our event organizer, Mr. Noel Flores, to support Mr. John Minas. Okay. And of course, Miss Lilibet Woods. Ang napakayaan ng Miss Lilibet Woods. Okay. And of course, okay, Boss Rudy, Boss Rudy Argamosa, pasuporta po pa-award ng winner natin. Mr. Rudy Argamosa, Boss Rudy, okay, siya po ang naka-8 million views na Mr. Argamosa, bikini open na.
Ako yung host noon.
Siya rin po na host. Okay. And of course, I would like to call on myself, the director of the show, Tek Pudoling, to award the winner. And our winner
One!
for the first is candidate number Candidate number one. Nanin muli. Boss.